These guys are just
Oh, did you hear him?
hanging out with us today. And these guys are usually very scared of people. But we befriended one a couple years ago. And he comes back every year. We call him Mr. Green.
He's over there on
And
the
I
rock.
think some of these littler ones are his babies from this year.
Mr. Green's right there on the rock. Watching over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the other one's in the tree right here.
Oh,
Hi, baby.
what you doing, Bubba's?
What's happening?
So this is the first year we saw Mr. Green's babies. So it's pretty cool.
Hi.
He's not too far away from us. I mean, you know, it's like right
20
there.
feet, maybe?
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
So it's pretty cool. All right, bye, baby.
Whoa, what was that jumped in the water?
We
There's
have a
big fish over there.
treat today. We have Mr. Green's, one of his babies.
Mr. Green's got 3 babies.
Okay, he's got 3 babies, and one of them is just hanging right there.
And that one's BBG,
Okay, that one's BBG.
which is beautiful baby green.
Oh,
You got some fish jumping. Big fish.
oh, did you get a fishy, baby?
Ooh,
Did you get a fishy?
look at you.
He's just chilling in the water.
Oh my God, he's so cool.
Oh, did you just get a? He's fast, man. Holy shit.
He was eating a bunch of babies over there. Baby fish.
All right, see you guys.